Hundreds of inbound leads, thousands of dollars made in passive income, multi-million impressions. This is what the untapped potential of LinkedIn looks like. Last year, my content generated over 13 million impressions on LinkedIn, and I built a fully inbound business on the back of it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process that I use to get more clients on LinkedIn using content. But listen, just posting content on LinkedIn isn't good enough anymore. 2 years ago, you could post a poll asking people if they needed help and it would go viral. But that's no longer the case. LinkedIn has over 1 billion users right now, and the competition is getting tougher, so you need to stand out. And if you stick till the end of this video, I'm going to share with you the best writing framework to use that everybody on LinkedIn is loving right now. Okay, so step number 1, finding a topic. Now, starting a post from scratch is the hardest thing ever. Here's how to simplify it. Start by writing down a simple topic that you want to use in your content. Could be success, remote work, lead generation, entrepreneurship, deep work, anything you like. Then pick one of those and list 3 things that you want to talk about within that topic. Use your selected topic and one of these tools to search for proven content that's already been posted by someone else. This has been a massive hack for me in how I didn't die writing hundreds of pieces of content a month for myself and my clients. The tools are Taplio and TweetHunter. With TweetHunter, even though it's specifically for Twitter, I use it a lot for LinkedIn content because there's more content on Twitter than there is on LinkedIn. So you can download the free Chrome extension and look for the best performing post on the one keyword. You can even go as far and going into your favorite creators' accounts and scanning their content looking for one specific keyword. Taplio is exactly the same, but for LinkedIn. You can log onto the platform and go into search mode, and then type in your topic or keyword and get hundreds of proven ideas instantly. And now you can find posts that resonate with you, take inspiration from them, and start writing. If you want to go even further with Taplio, you can refine the content that you're looking at by the goal of the post that you're writing. When creating content, there's 3 things you should be doing: educating, inspiring, or entertaining. By having a clear idea of what your post is meant to be doing, you can be more selective of the post that you're screenshotting, putting into a swipe file, or copy pasting for later use. So let's say I was looking for deep work related topics and I wanted to do an educational post. Now that I have hundreds of ideas, I'd start selecting the ones that start with how to, here's how, X steps, etc. Things that are educational and can give me some sort of value. So instead of me falling into a never-ending Twitter and LinkedIn research rabbit hole, I have a clear objective. Now this is done, we're ready to write LinkedIn magic. Using the posts and frameworks from the posts that you've studied, write a similar post that has a similar cadence. If the post that you're looking at starts with how to and then has 5 lines, has bullet points, and a short call to action at the end, the idea is that you replicate that for your exact same post but using your own original idea. You are emulating, not copying. This is the fastest way I can teach you how to write good LinkedIn content without spending thousands of hours learning copywriting basics. And again, the key is to emulate, not copy. Like Tony Bennett would say, if you steal from one person, you're just a thief. But if you steal from everyone, that's research. Now, before I tell you my secret writing framework, I'm going to teach you how this is going to actually get you leads. And all of this comes down to finding your one true fan. Look, by doing all of the above, you're preparing yourself for writing an outstanding post. You've got your hooks nailed, you've got your framework sorted out, and your content ideation is on point. All you need now is to look at who's engaging with your content. Quite often, people just post and ghost and expect leads, but that's so wrong. The leads are there, but you need to warm them up first. Every time you post, you need to crawl your comment section for your ICP. Ideal client persona. And if your ICP is commenting in your content, they're interested. You just need to convert them. People usually have a very clear explanation of who they are and what they do in their headline. Now, once you find that clear ICP, start a conversation with them. Send them a personalized connection request if you're not connected. Key here is personalization. Amongst all automated tools, ChatGPT and AI, just be human. If they commented on a post of yours, reach back out. Here's a quick script for you. Hey, name, thank you for commenting. That was very kind. Are you into topic of post too? If it was me, I'd say something like, hey Sarah, thank you so much for commenting on my post. That was very kind. How's LinkedIn going for you this 2024? Simple, soft, and easy to build a conversation from. And look, if they reply, they're clearly interested in something that you have. It's either what you have to sell, your offer, or maybe they're just curious to know more about you. But most oftentimes, it's something that you have to offer. It's LinkedIn, after all, a B2B platform where people are there mostly to make sales. Lastly, I'm going to share my special content framework I use to write most of my content, the SLAY framework. Your copy should be divided into 4 segments: story, lesson, actionable advice, and you, or APS. The first 3 lines should start with the story. Then you move on to explaining quickly the background of why it is relevant to people. Then you provide a lesson so the reader gets value from you and not just fluff. And then to finish, you add a you element at the end or a PS. Ask a question, finish with a platitude, or make them feel good, heard, and seen. And there's your magic post. That's literally it. The post framework that has generated me millions of views and hundreds of leads, and has helped many others do the same. The reason it works is because you're providing the 3 elements of content in one. Inspiration at the start, education in the middle, and entertainment all throughout. So go try it. The worst thing that could happen is you get a couple likes and maybe make some friends. But if all of this goes well, the opportunity is insane. If I was starting from zero again, that's the exact process I would use. So kings and queens, I hope this was useful to you, and I can't wait to see you slaying on LinkedIn. Bye.